Hello everybody and welcome to some Minecraft, and I'm going to be playing some Lifeboat. And this is Aiden, not Ryan. Just so you guys know. You're not even playing the actual game, are you? You're not even playing the actual game, are you, Ryan?
Okay, they can't find me.
Alright. What's this? Going back. And this is, and I'm playing on 12.0. So, and I am playing on 12.0.
Extra points for cuteness. That's just not cute. That's horrifying. Is this cute or horrifying? Are we still recording?
Yeah, I'm trying to do some Lifeboat, but it won't let me on the tournament.
You're not signed in.
How do I sign in?
I don't record while I'm signing in. Because I don't want anyone to know my password. And you're...
Hello, buddy, and we are back, and I am back now.
They never saw that you were gone.
Well,
Rapid fire.
actually, now that I suddenly disappeared, and now I'm just suddenly back again. I think that means I was gone.
Face plants. Dude, your eyes roll back into your head.
No one will team up with anyone in this universe.
No, I did something.
That's multiplayer you connected. So.
No. You don't deserve to play with me.
No. Oh. I'm gonna make it.
Ooh, kitty cat. Kitty cat. I'm jumping.
I hate how. Actually, guys, I'm gonna pause this, and I will be back when it starts. Alright, and I am back, and it starts now.
They can't even tell that you paused the video.
I'm gonna run away now.
I seen a butterfly riding a pigeon. Is that normal?
What? And I don't care.
It was this pigeon.
I love it. Derp.
You love it. You care. Meatball. Oh. What happens if I put a smash in meatball?
Nothing.
Must try.
Dude, nothing happens. I already tried. I love it. And it keeps lagging. Because it's lagging.
Try a meatball that is comparable to. That's
Told you.
You said this was nothing.
Well, because pretty much nothing does happen. And the lag is so strong.
Okay, so she saw it to request it.
The lag right now is so strong. I can't even... If I go somewhere, I get sent back 15 feet.
Skip.
Now, is that normal? You walk 5 inches and you get sent 15 feet back? Is that normal now on Lifeboat?
Yeah.
So annoying.
Because we're in 12.0 and they haven't fixed anything.
Oh my god, this is so annoying. And someone's on a killing spree and I'm scared. Somebody's on a killing spree and it makes me scared. Can you mine wheat? Nope.
Oh, video game. Oh, I found Squid Jump.
Go on.
Not in a match though.
I don't know, you can play it on an arcade machine.
I'm just gonna play Squid Jump.
I'm just gonna hide in this barn.
Lifeboat's a lot less violent now. It's no fun.
Okay, I'm just gonna hide. No, get right here.
Seems like everyone's sworn oaths to non-violence.
Okay, I'm just gonna stand right here. If something comes, I will kill them. Alright. I think I should pause it right now since nothing's happening. I'm hiding. Or do you think I should go explore? What do you think I should do?
Go explore. They're gonna want to see what you're doing.
Okay. Even if it gets me killed.
No one likes it when you don't die. It's hilarious when
Okay.
people die.
Okay, I'm gonna go explore then. And God, this lag will kill everyone.
Guys, put it in the comments if dying is hilarious in Lifeboat or if it is not.
It depends. If you're the person who died, then it's not hilarious. Somebody's scorpion. Somebody's scorpion.
I know, you can be that skin.
The lag,
Goldfish.
I can't do any. Oh, because I'm crouching. Dude, the scorpion was teleporting. That's how bad the lag is. Alright, well, I think that about ends off this video. So thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.